Special delivery, my sexy smooth wax Golden Allure wax finally arrived, and I'm super excited. Look at all the gold, baby. I feel like a leprechaun right now, I'm not gonna lie. Now, melting point was on point. Consistency came out gorgeous. I'm using a 1 pound wax pot, by the way, for those of you who are going to ask. And yeah, she went on really smooth, really sexy. I mean, I see why they call it sexy smooth wax, obviously. And she did her thing, you know what I mean? So I'm waxing my cousin. Y'all know family be trying to come in and get free shit. So I was like, girl, if I'm gonna wax you, we're gonna do a video using this new Golden Allure. And that's exactly what we did. So let's go ahead and test out that dry time. So no cutting, no editing, guys. It's dry, okay? And I personally do not like to let my wax get 100% dry. I like to let it get about 90%. I feel like the pull is just a lot better. Pulls out more hairs. That's just me. But yeah, you can see here, Golden Allure is not playing around. Definitely doing what it's supposed to do. Now my side view here, I was struggling a little bit, but y'all get the gist, okay? Now, if you want to see me try this on other areas, so let me know. We can either do a leg video first or we can do a Brazilian video. I'll definitely try to find wax models. Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, you don't need a code to get this wax. It's already on sale. It's $10.75 per bag. So stock up, do what you please. There's other different kinds of waxes on their website that you may also enjoy. But I'm just reviewing Golden Allure because I've been waiting forever, baby. And we need to add gold to the roster. So yeah, I like it. Follow up with your aftercare, guys. And don't forget to grab you some wax and some pretty kitty and body oil if you need it. Thanks for watching. Bye.